Welcome back to our channel. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to elevate your game to the next level, having the right paddle makes all the difference. Today we're counting down the top 5 best pickleball paddles in 2024 that offer a perfect mix of power, control, and performance for every type of player. From budget-friendly options to pro-level picks, we've got something for everyone. And, of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing paddles. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Vtic Pro Prism Flash, the best budget option for 2024. This paddle offers incredible value for money without sacrificing performance. It features a lightweight design and a textured surface, giving you great spin and control on the court. Experience unmatched precision and control with the Vtic Pro Prism carbon fiber 16mm pickleball paddle. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this paddle is designed for players who crave balance, finesse, and versatility on the court. Featuring foam-injected edge walls, the Prism series offers enhanced stability and shock absorption, making it easy to reset shots, place the ball with accuracy, and close out points, all while ensuring durability. The polyurethane inserts reduce vibration, giving you a softer touch and better feel with every hit. What sets the Prism series apart is its unique cold molding process. This innovative approach adds control and plushness to your game, providing a perfect middle ground between two powerful and two soft paddles. The paddle's T700 carbon fiber surface is crafted for maximum spin and longevity, far outperforming fiberglass or lower-grade carbon fiber options. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an everyday player, you'll experience superior performance with this paddle. If you're looking to get into pickleball without breaking the bank, this paddle is your go-to choice. It's affordable, durable, and perfect for casual players or those just getting started. Next up at number 4 is the SLK Ino 2.0, our pick for the best beginner set. This paddle set comes with everything you need to jump right into the game, including 2 paddles and a few balls. It's designed with a large sweet spot and a comfortable grip, making it perfect for beginners looking to build their skills. Featuring advanced multi-layer face technology, these paddles combine the lightweight precision of graphite with the control and stability of fiberglass. Developed by the innovators in pickleball paddle technology, the SLK Ino paddles provide top-tier performance for both indoor and outdoor play. At the heart of the paddle is the SX3 honeycomb core, engineered to create a large sweet spot for consistent power and reduce vibration on every hit. Whether you're smashing shots or delivering soft drop shots, this core technology ensures that you have excellent control and feel. Weighing just 7.5 ounces, the SLK paddles offer a perfect balance between lightweight and medium weight, making them easy to handle for extended gameplay. The Ultra Cushion Grip, with a 4.25-inch circumference and 5.25 length, absorbs both sweat and impacts, allowing you to maintain comfort and grip even during intense matches. This SLK paddle set is the ideal starter kit for new players, offering 2 paddles, one red, one blue, for indoor-outdoor pickleball balls and a rigid carry bag for on-the-go protection. If you're new to the sport, this is an excellent choice to help you get started and improve your game quickly. Coming in at number 3, we have the Selkirk Luxx Control Air Invicta, the best paddle for control. This paddle is all about precision. With its unique shape and balanced weight distribution, it allows you to place the ball exactly where you want it with ease. Designed for players who seek precision, control, and power, the Selkirk Luxx Control Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle crafted with advanced materials and technologies to enhance your game. The paddle features a Fluorec carbon fiber face combined with the polypropylene X7 core, offering the perfect balance of strength and responsiveness for every shot. The innovative air dynamic throat design optimizes airflow to give you better ball control, allowing for smoother, more controlled swings. With the ThroatFlex open throw technology, this paddle maximizes flexibility at the moment of ball contact, giving you extended dwell time and consistent power on every hit. For players looking to dominate the spin game, the ProSpin Plus Next-Gen Micro Texture provides a highly durable surface, enhancing your ability to shape and control the ball with precision. This paddle also incorporates 360 degrees proto-molding technology, delivering exceptional power and consistent feel by utilizing a high-pressure manufacturing process that ensures balance and durability. Additionally, the Flex Foam perimeter injects specially formulated foam around the paddle's edges, increasing durability, enlarging the sweet spot, and absorbing vibrations to give you a smoother, more comfortable feel. For players who prioritize finesse and control over power, this is the paddle that will help you dominate the court with accuracy. At number 2 is the 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control, our best runner-up. This paddle combines both power and control, making it an all-around powerhouse on the court. The textured carbon fiber face gives you excellent spin, while the elongated handle provides added reach. The 6-0 Quartz Pickleball Paddle is crafted for players who demand a perfect blend of performance, power, and control. Made with premium raw carbon, this paddle provides exceptional spin, unmatched durability, and long-lasting performance, making it a top choice for both recreational and competitive play. Featuring a large sweet spot, the Quartz paddle enhances your control, allowing for more accurate shots while maintaining powerful returns. Whether you're playing casual games or taking on tougher competition, this paddle offers the precision you need. Available in 6 vibrant colors: amethyst, rose, smoky, citron, prasiolite, and white. You can choose a paddle that matches your unique style on the court. At 7.9 Oz/225 GM, plus or minus 10 GM, the paddle strikes a perfect balance between lightweight maneuverability and power, making it suitable for all ages and skill levels. The combination of a polypropylene core and a raw carbon face ensures a forgiving yet powerful performance, allowing you to play with confidence. With the 6-0 Quartz Pickleball Paddle, elevate your game with the perfect mix of power, control, and standout design. It's perfect for players who want a bit of everything: speed, control, and precision, making it a great choice for serious competitors. And finally, our number 1 pick for 2024 is the CRBN 3X Power Series, the best overall pickleball paddle. This paddle is a beast when it comes to power. The carbon fiber surface delivers explosive shots, while its aerodynamic design enhances speed and control. The CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle is designed for players who crave precision, power, and control. Built with carbon fiber, this paddle not only delivers incredible spin, but also features a massive sweet spot for improved shot consistency and accuracy. What sets this paddle apart is its foam-injected edges, which expand the sweet spot and reduce vibration, offering a smoother and more controlled game. This advanced technology gives players a competitive edge by enhancing responsiveness on every shot. The unibody design provides maximum durability and strength by eliminating weak points where other paddles may flex or break. With a stiffer, more responsive construction, the CRBN X Series offers an ergonomic grip for comfortable, high-performance play. Each paddle also comes with a neoprene paddle cover, and for long-lasting performance, you can pair it with the CRBN Paddle Eraser to keep your paddle looking new. Elevate your pickleball game with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, engineered for unmatched power, control, and durability. It's perfect for advanced players looking to dominate the court with power-packed performances. If you want the very best paddle out there, this is the one. So, there you have it. The top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's a paddle here for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab your favorite paddle at the best price. Which paddle are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gear reviews.